How to download and install Fidelity mobile banking application. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Go ahead and open up your Play Store from your device. Here tap on the search bar and type in Fidelity Bank app. As you do so, you will see Fidelity Online Banking. This is the application that you should have in your device. As you see this app, you have to tap on Install. Now wait till this application gets downloaded in your device. And once Fidelity Online Banking has been installed in your device, tap Open the app. And here, you can go ahead and enter your username and your password and tap on Login. And this is how it's done. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.